Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Netlify for deploying no-code app interfaces, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Netlify website. Locate the sign up button in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be presented with several sign up options. Choose to sign up using either GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket for convenience. If you prefer, you can also sign up using your email address. For email registration, fill in your email, create a secure password, and provide your name. After completing the form, click on the Sign Up button at the bottom. If you used an email address, check your inbox for a verification email. Open the verification email and click on the link to activate your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Netlify dashboard. You will see an option to create a new site. Click on the New Site from Git button to start deploying your project. Connect your chosen Git provider by following the authentication prompts. After connecting, select the repository you want to deploy. Netlify will show you various deployment settings. Configure the build settings according to your project's requirements. You may need to specify the build command in the directory for the published files. Click on the Deploy Site button to initiate the deployment process. Netlify will begin building and deploying your site. Once the deployment is complete, you will receive a unique URL for your application. You can view your deployed application at this URL. For further customization, explore the settings available in your Netlify dashboard. You can set up your domain, adjust site settings, and enable continuous deployment. Netlify allows you to easily manage and update your no-code application interface. Feel free to explore additional features like form handling and serverless functions. With your site now live, you can easily share your no-code application with others. Review the dashboard periodically for any updates or site analytics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.